Hello everyone. Today we are going to be looking at inner versus outer planets. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says inner versus outer planets. We have the link for the reading. We have my email where you can send your assignments to, and we have the practice questions. So let's take a look at this. So the 4 planets closer to the sun are going to be called the inner planets. So these are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And the inner planets are called terrestrial planets. They're very similar to Earth. They're all solid, all dense, all rocky, and none of the inner planets have rings. So compared to the outer planets, the inner planets are going to be small. They have shorter orbits around the sun. They have a slower spin. And then Venus spins backwards and has the slowest spin. All of the inner planets were geologically active at one time, so this means they had a lot of volcanoes. And they think they're made of cooled igneous rock with inner iron cores. So this is what they think. Earth has 1 moon. Mars has 2 very small moons. Mercury and Venus do not have moons. So the outer planets are going to be Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Those are the 4 farthest from the sun. The outer planets are going to be much bigger than the inner planets, and they're made mostly of gases, so they're also known as gas giants. So this is how these outer planets compare to the sun. So as you can see, the sun is gigantic. So the gas giants are going to be made mostly of hydrogen and helium. And these are the same elements that are going to make up most of the sun. And astronomers think that this nebula, this cosmic cloud of space dust that supposedly exploded and gave way to the solar system and the universe, they think that that was made out of mostly hydrogen and helium, and that the inner planets didn't have strong enough gravitational fields to hold those gases, so they kind of floated away into space, and eventually we got the outer planets. Outer planets also have planetary rings, and we can really only see the rings of Saturn clearly from Earth. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your questions and turn them into me.